to see two buttons. The first button is join Zoocalad network, and the second button is that you're already a member of Zoocalad network, a paid member, and all you need to do is to add yourself to the rotator. So if you're not a paid member of a Zoocalad network, then you need to click this red button here. That will open up Zoocalad network in a new window, and you have a registration button, a login button if you're already a member, and you have a registration button here. So I'm just going to click on register, and then what you need to do here is to fill out all your details to create your account, agree to the terms and conditions, leave these tick boxes in this box here, and then once you've created your account, you'll receive an email from Zoocalad network. You need to check that email for important details. But then what you need to do is to come back to your account and log in. Once you put your username and your password in there, you just click on sign in. And then when you're inside Zoocalad network, what you need to do is, if you don't have any funds already in your account, or it's a new account, you need to you're going to come down to finances and click add funds. So you put in the amount of funds that you want to add. The minimum that you can add is $10, up to $500. And once you've added your funds, then you're going to need to buy your first ad pack. And once you've bought your first ad pack, you can then come back over to this page that you're watching now, and then click on this button here that says add me to the rotator. And I'll see you on the next page to get you added into the rotator. Thank you.